welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, guys. Aww. Today we are here to talk about the Joe Freshgoods Performance Art Powdered Pink. And shout out to Joe Freshgoods. That Instagram shop, the way to buy, super dope. This is my second pair I picked up from that Instagram drop. That's the way that most companies should go. I know everybody don't have Instagram, but everybody should have Instagram, but that way you get the bots out of there, man. Like, I was indecisive about buying them. I had time to think. I had time to choose my size. I had time to say, maybe I should go with the blue. Maybe I should go with the green. Still got my size. Still checked out. Problem free. No heart attacks. Y'all know the feeling when you trying to buy a sneaker and your heart is like this, or when a shock drop happens, like these bad boys did last week. I got my son size. Jordan 11s, I don't want to go there yet, but I think I'm done with Jordan 11. But my son ain't, and these are woman exclusive, so my girl, everybody else can still cop Jordan 11s. I think I'm done with them, but in my opinion, these are dope. If y'all want to see a full review of these in the men's size, women's size, let me know. I'll go get them. But here's just a quick peek of the, what is this, the preschool size for my son. But back to the powdered pinks. I went with this color because not only is it breast cancer month, shout out to everybody who had to deal with something like that. I just thought these was the dopest. That mint green was dope too. Blue you can always have, gray you can always have. I felt like this pink was the dopest, especially in that 993 model. Hit the B-roll. In the comment section below, let me know which ones you like best out of the trio. They all had the pastel colors. That's why the name is called Performing Arts, I guess. Pastel, you think of art. But like I told you, I went with the pink. If y'all remember, I showed y'all a Joe Freshgood. I think it was called the Voices joint cookie, pink cookie joints. And I like this one better. And there's nothing that Joe Freshgoods did wrong. I like this model of the New Balance better. I feel like that model with the pink cookie joint was like a little bulky, like Balenciaga look bulky. This one is smooth and is nice. And we've been talking too long. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get this cream box that can kind of pass for pastel also. And you got that Made in USA, which is a New Balance staple. And it's like 3D rubber material made with the American flag. So you know it's USA. Around it, you got a whole bunch of other 3D New Balance logo there. The Made in USA again. That's on both sides. And then here you have made in the US for over 75 years. And I'm guessing it's saying the same thing in maybe French. I don't really know that language, but it's definitely saying the same thing. Another New Balance at the bottom. Joe Freshgoods on the other side. So a lot of branding on the box itself, guys. And as you can see, it's a classic box. When you flip open the lid, it has that Apple, iPhone, iPad air gap there. It's hard to just open this, so be careful. Performing Arts, New Balance logo again. And then you got some New Balance Joe Freshgoods tissue paper in that same beige colorway. And this here is the left shoe of the JFG New Balance powdered pink. Now, I know it's pink all over. I want to start with the shoelaces. Jordan 1s used to, sometimes they still do come laced like this with just the one at the bottom and then the shoelaces just tied up. This is classic. This is nostalgic. I miss this. Like, let me lace my own shoes sometimes because I'm lazy. Usually I just leave whatever shoelace in there. But this is classic. I like this. Speaking of classic, besides the pink, you see the age sole at the bottom. This brings out the pink so much and makes the sneakers so dope. You have like the age vintage look at the bottom and it creeps back in around the side. That is the dopest part of the sneaker to me. Besides the powdered pink, of course. So if you start with the toe box, you got that classic silver New Balance reflective mesh that they're known for. And that peeks in and out around the pink. The pink at the top is the pink I really, really like. As you get around the toes, that pinks get a little darker. As you can see, the pink here is light. The pink down there gets a little darker. Nubuck suede is soft. Soft material. There go your New Balance logo there. It doesn't look like it reflects like most New Balance logos. That's also in a powdered pink. More of the silver reflectives at the top. You come around and that's where you see your first branding of Joe Freshgoods. You got the JFG logo right in there. Under that you have the New Balance logo in a clear rubbery look. Like a fish tank. Super dope look. You come down, more of that pink creeps in. And that's where the vintage ends, right there. The age thing is right here from there. And right here, that looks like a Diodora logo from fall. But it says Absor DTS. So that is the technology used in this New Balance model. And I could kind of feel it. So that bubble is not just for look, it's also for technology. Come around there. The inside is just like your outside. The silver with the pink hits. The New Balance logo is pink, but it kind of looks white. Kind of resembles this vintage tool, but it does have some pink markings around it. And you got your tags here. New Balance been doing this for years. Adidas is doing it now. Nike, they just don't want to do this. You got your Joe Freshgoods logo with the New Balance logo right there. The Performing Arts tag right there. With some words, I'll try to break it down for y'all minimally. Say performing art is a form of expression that was born as an alternate artistic manifestation. The 990 series started as a sophisticated running shoe with the goal of being the best running shoe of all time. That's basically what it says. It's a lot more going on. Then you got your regular New Balance logo in that gray reflective look. The tongue, New Balance, made in USA, 993. Another N for New Balance. Also has the silver reflecting along with your soft pink. The shoe comes in the vintage style laces, but it do come with a pink pair just sitting at the bottom of the box, guys. So you got options here. And the inside is also pretty with that powdered pink along with that vibrant pink. New Balance logo. And Joe Freshgoods. Your bottom here also sports some of that vintage look. New Balance logo on the inside. Super dope, guys. Again, I don't want to make it look like I didn't like those pink cookie joints. But this is more of like, if you're not a New Balance head and you're just trying to jump into the New Balance world, when you see a silhouette like this, it's easier to cop. Like maybe you were just a Joe Freshgoods fan and then you was like, I want to get some New Balance, support Joe. This is it. I like this pink, man. I honestly think they saved the best for last. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I paid $255 shipped to me, New York, after everything with Instagram. So right now, StockX and GOAT, I'm seeing them like it's like a up and down slope. It's 290, then it's 310 one day, then it's 280 one day. I say if you really want them now, to wear them now, I would get them now. Because I don't really see them creeping past 340. But I think if you wait, it may be a restock on the way. The way Joe Freshgoods is dropping their stuff, I think it will still be some pairs available. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.